Welcome to Ginger Spinach Energizer, a nutritious juice for diabetics. Brought to you by Knowledge Your Health. Visit our website at knowledgeyourhealth.com for more healthy recipes and tips. Today, we're crafting a vibrant and invigorating Ginger Spinach Energizer. This green juice combines the nutritional powerhouse of spinach with the zesty kick of ginger, balanced with the hydrating properties of cucumber and the natural sweetness of green apple. Perfect for diabetics. This juice is designed to boost your energy levels while keeping your blood sugar in check. Let's take a closer look at what we'll need. On the wooden cutting board, we have 2 cups of fresh spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, and a small piece of ginger, about 1 inch long. You can also add half a lemon if you like a bit of extra zest. First, we start by thoroughly washing the spinach, cucumber, green apple, lemon, and ginger to remove any dirt or pesticides. Next, we'll chop the cucumber into smaller pieces and slice the green apple, making sure to remove the core. We'll also cut the lemon in half and peel and slice the ginger. Now, into the juicer they go, adding the spinach, cucumber, green apple slices, and ginger. Optionally, squeeze in the lemon juice. Watch as the vibrant green juice flows out. If necessary, we'll give it a mix in a pitcher to ensure an even blend of flavors. As we blend these nutritious ingredients together, let's talk about their health benefits. Spinach, rich in iron, vitamins A and C, and fiber, not only supports overall health but also aids in blood sugar management. Now, ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, not only enhances digestion but also adds a spicy, invigorating flavor. Moving on to cucumber, which is hydrating and cooling, helping to maintain hydration and providing essential nutrients. And green apple, which adds a touch of natural sweetness and fiber, aiding in digestion and helping stabilize blood sugar levels. Lastly, if you choose to add lemon, it will give a boost of vitamin C and enhance the overall flavor with its zesty taste. Now, let's pour this vibrant green juice into a tall, clear glass. For an elegant touch, garnish with a small piece of ginger on the rim. Just look at that refreshing color and inviting appearance. Ah, time to taste this Ginger Spinach Energizer. That's absolutely refreshing and energizing. I encourage you all to try making this at home, and please do share your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetic-friendly juice recipes. Do visit knowledgeyourhealth.com for more health-related topics.